guys, it's Julie Cooley, and today I'm going to talk about Arrow Season 5. There are possible spoilers in this video, so please make sure you're updated with the current episode before watching. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to join the herd. Share this video to other Flash fans out there. So, in this episode, we are nearing the end of Arrow Season 5, and Team Arrow has believed that they caught Chase and put away for good, but like I said in the other video, Oliver was fooled again. The theme of Oliver is the surprise party, which really matches the episode by one of Team Arrow gets kidnapped. So shortly after the party, Team Arrow gets kidnapped, and we see from the previous episodes, William was kidnapped as well. It is shown, and he is shown calling for help. But before we get into this, where was his mother the whole time? Obviously, we know that if her boy is in trouble, she would call Oliver and make sure and tell him William's gone. Then, was she taken or was she killed? We gotta find out. So, when we saw Team Arrow was taken, we noticed that Artemis, Ra's al Ghul's daughter, and more people were taken and made sure that they were going to the island. Which, the island, by the way, is known as Lian Yu, where Oliver was for 5 years. But the question I'm asking is, how does Adrian know about Oliver's past? I mean, is he stalking his Facebook or something? I mean, I don't know about you, but this is kind of edgy to me. I mean, I know you're triggered by killing your dad, but really? And also from Season 1, when Oliver killed his dad, why didn't Adrian fight him in Season 2? Oliver urged Adrian to bring back his son and team back, but he said to let him be first. Oliver does team up with Malcolm, Merlin, Nyssa, and Deathstroke to take down Chase. I'm a bit hyped about the season finale and what a big fight is going to look like. Hopefully we find out how Adrian is always one step ahead of them, because it's really confusing how he knows how things are going to happen. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think is going to happen with Team Arrow and William? What about William's mom? Tell me in the comments below. If you really like this video, please let us know by dropping a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to join the herd. Share this video as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!